the parameters, just adjust the different opening speed, closing speed. Make sure that the toggle switch, so terminal 8 and 9, it's linked out. That allow you to access the parameters. You double press set button twice. Now you are in the parameters. So once you are in the parameters, you can navigate through them. There's zillions of parameters, but the main ones are OS, opening speed, CS, closing speed. Now I want DL, which is, so if you keep pressing set, that show you the value, and then you can go up or down, and I want to activate the lock in the daytime automatic mode. Release. Now the value is programmed, and when you want to program that in, you double press set. You come out of it, and now it should be. Now my lock is activated during the day. Should activate now. Yeah, that's it.